Hey there, need to send money to someone quickly using your phone number? Chase Pay, which uses Zelle, is Chase's fast, secure way to send money directly to another person's bank account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. Chase Pay to send money is essentially Chase Quick Pay with Zelle. Open the Chase app, go to Pay and Transfer, and select Send Money with Zelle. Enter the recipient's US mobile number or email address, the amount, and an optional note. Review and send. If they're already enrolled with Zelle, they'll get the money in minutes. My crucial pro tip: you can only send to enrolled users for instant transfers. If the recipient isn't enrolled with Zelle through their bank, they'll get instructions to enroll, and the money will only transfer once they do. For instant results, send to people you know already use Zelle. That's how you move money in seconds, directly between bank accounts. Do you find Zelle more convenient than other peer-to-peer apps? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on digital payments, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.